It's been roughly about an hour since I've been in the park, and yeah, as you can see, not too busy, but there's plenty of people in lines though. So, and it's still early, and it's Friday, so people may still be at work or whatever. But as you can see, nobody on the rides. Well, I mean, they're empty because there's nobody on the rides because there's not too many people here just yet. But I guarantee you later on in the day, it will definitely pick up. Everyone's probably at Disney or Universal or SeaWorld or something right now. So this is why this park closes at midnight. But it's also good for people who don't have the money to go to these expensive parks. They can come here and, you know, enter for free. You know, they can just go sightseeing or, you know, ride the coasters, do whatever they want. I think that's a pretty good deal in my opinion. Freedom Flyer. This will be my new credit for the year. And my first coaster of 2021. Let's go ride. Just got off of White Lightning. It's a Vekoma family coaster, so it wasn't much to say about it. But it was fun, and I liked that little aggressive helix at the end. So next stop is White Lightning. Yeah, just got off of White Lightning, and always fun as ever. I did notice a difference when we went into the Titan track. It did feel a lot smoother, but the coaster's not rough at all. The coaster's not rough in the slightest. It's very fun, had a little pop of the air. I love that double up and double down. The return around was fun. Yeah, fun coaster overall. So, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there goes the Titan track right there. It starts up there, and then right there, and you can definitely feel a difference when you hit that Titan track. It's like a very slight, better smoothness than the rest of the coaster. But like I said before, the coaster itself is not rough. I mean, it's a wooden coaster, but you can definitely tell the difference between the wooden track and the Titan track. Well, I'm gonna try to get a front row POV Freedom Flyer, but they closed for maintenance. So now I guess I'll just go ahead and take pictures, maybe go back on the go-kart. I don't know, we'll see.